Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is x squared plus x squared divided by x plus 1 to the power of 2. This is equal to 40 over 9. So what are the values of x? So let's provide a solution from here. So we have x squared plus x squared divided by x plus 1 raised to the power of 2. This is equal to 40 over 9. So we have that x squared is a whole number, so this is over 1. So on the left hand side here, we have that the LCM here is x plus 1 raised to the power of 2. So x plus 1 to the power of 2 divided by 1 times x squared. This is the same thing as x squared times x plus 1 raised to the power of 2, then plus x plus 1 to the power of 2 divided by x plus 1 to the power of 2. This becomes 1. Then 1 times x squared. This is the same thing as x squared. This is equal to 40 over 9. Now, the next step from here, let's open the parentheses here so that we have x squared multiplying by, here we have x squared plus 2x plus 1, close the parentheses, then plus x squared divided by x plus 1 to the power of 2. This is equal to 40 over 9. Now, let's open the parentheses here. We have x squared times x squared. We have x to the power of 4. Then plus x squared multiplying by 2x. This becomes 2x to the power of 3. Then plus we have x squared times 1. This is x squared. Then plus x squared, everything here, divided by x plus 1 raised to the power of 2. This is equal to 40 over 9. Now, the next step from here, we have x squared plus x squared. This is 2x squared. So we have x to the power of 4 plus 2x to the power of 3, then plus 2x to the power of 2. Everything here divided by x plus 1. This to the power of 2. This is equal to 40 over 9. Now the next step from here, we have that in the numerator here, we have x to the power of 4, then plus the second part here, we have 2x squared is common here, so we can factor out 2x squared into the parentheses. We have x plus 1, close the parentheses, then everything here divided by x plus 1 raised to the power of 2. This is equal to 40 divided by 9. Now, the next step from here, we have x to the power of 4 divided by, now here we have x plus 1 raised to the power of 2, then plus, now here we have 2x to the power of 2 into the parentheses. This is x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 to the power of 2. This is equal to 40 over 9. So here we can simplify x plus 1 and x plus 1 here, so that now here we have x, we can express x to the power of 4 as x to the power of 2, then raised to the power of 2 divided by x plus 1 raised to the power of 2, then plus, here we have 2 multiplied by x to the power of 2 divided by x plus 1. This is equal to 40 over 9. The next step is that x squared to the power of 2 and x plus 1 to the power of 2. This is in the form of a to the power of n divided by b to the power of n, which we can express as a over b to the power of n. Applying this exponent property, then here we have x squared divided by x plus 1, everything here raised to the power of 2, then plus 2 multiplied by x squared divided by x plus 1. This is equal to 40 over 9. So here we have x squared divided by x plus 1. It's common here. So we can let x squared divided by x plus 1 be equal to u. Now substituting u back to this equation, then we have u squared plus 2u, then this is equal to 40 over 9. So the next step, let's multiply both sides by 9. So that now, here we have 9 times u squared, this is 9u squared, then plus 9 times 2u, this is 18u, this is equal to 40. The next step is to take 40 on the left hand side, so that we have 9u squared plus 18u, subtract 40, this is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation here, and you can solve this quadratic equation by applying the factorization method, whereby we have that the product here is equal to, we have 9 times minus 40, and this is equal to minus 360. We have that the sum is equal to 18. So this means that we identify those two factors. If you multiply these two factors, we need to have a total of minus 360. If you sum those two factors, then we should have a value of 18. So these two factors are 30 and minus 12. So substituting this back to the equation, we have 9u squared, then plus 30u, subtract 12u, then minus 40. This is equal to 0. So we have two parts here. From the first part here, we have that 3u is common. So we have 3u into the parentheses. This is the same thing as 3u plus 10 minus 12u minus 40. We have that here. 4 is common. So here we'll have 3u plus 10. This is equal to 0. So 3u plus 10 is common here. So we can factor out 3u plus 10. And then we have 3u minus 4. This is equal to 0. So we have two parts here. The first part is 3u plus 10. This is equal to 0. And we have 3u minus 4. This is equal to 0. From the first part here, we have that u1 is equal to minus 10 over 3. And the second part here, we have that u2 is equal to 4 over 3. Now, if you recall, we have seen that let u be equal to x squared divided by x plus 1. Now we can proceed to solve for the values of x here. Let's start with u1, which is minus 10 over 3. So now we have minus 10 over 3. This is equal to x squared over x plus 1. So let's cross multiply here, so that now we have 3x squared. This is equal to minus 10 multiplied by x plus 1. And this implies that here we have 3x squared. This is equal to minus 10 times x. This is minus 10x. Minus 10 times plus 1. This is minus 10. The next step is to take minus 10x minus 10 on the left hand side, so that now we have 3x squared plus 10x, then plus 10. This is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation where we have a is equal to 3, b is equal to 10, and that c is also equal to 10. So we can solve for x1, x2 by applying the quadratic formula here, which is minus b plus or minus the square root of, this is b squared minus 4 is c. Everything here divided by 2 times a. So let's substitute the values of a, b, and c in this formula, so that now here we have minus 10 plus or minus the square root of, this is 10 squared minus 4 times a, which is 3, then times c, which is 10. Everything here divided by 2 times 3. So therefore here we have minus 10 plus or minus the square root of 10 squared, this is 100, minus 4 times 3, this is 12, times 10, this is 120. Everything here divided by 6. Now we have here minus 10 plus or minus the square root of 100 minus 120, this is minus 20, divided by 6. We can express the square root of minus 20 as, now this is the same thing as the square root of 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by minus 1, everything here divided by 6. So this implies that here we have minus 10 plus or minus the square root of 4, this is 2, the square root of minus 1, this is I, then square root of 5, everything here divided by 6. So in the numerator here, we have that 2 is common. We can factor out 2, so that now we have 2 into the parentheses. This is minus 5 plus or minus I square root of 5. Everything here divided by 6. So that now we can simplify here by 2, 1. 6 divided by 2, this is 3. So therefore, we have that x1, comma x2, this is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 5i divided by 3. Now this implies that x1 is equal to minus 5 plus square root of 5i divided by 3. And we have that x2 is equal to minus 5 minus square root of 5i divided by 3. So this is the values of x1, x2. Now let's proceed. If you recall again here, we entered x squared divided by x plus 1. This is equal to u. So let's proceed with u2. Remember, u2 here is equal to 4 over 3. So this implies that we have x squared divided by x plus 1. This is equal to 4 over 3. So let's cross multiply here, so that we have 3x squared. This is equal to 4 multiplied by x plus 1. So this is 3x squared. This is equal to 4 times x. This is 4x. 4 times 1. This is 4. Let's take 4x plus 4 on the left hand side, so that now we have 3x squared minus 4x, then minus 4. This is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation, and we can solve this quadratic equation by applying factorization method. Remember here, the product is equal to 3 times minus 4, which is minus 12. And we have that the sum is equal to minus 4. So we need to get two factors here, that if we multiply these two factors, we need to get a value of minus 12. If we sum those two factors, we need to have a sum of minus 4. So this is actually equal to minus 6 and 2. So these are the two factors. So substituting these two factors here, if you say minus 6 times 2, this is minus 12. Minus 6 plus 2, this is minus 4. So this is 3x squared minus 4x minus 4. This is equal to 0. Substituting this becomes 3x squared minus 6x, then plus 2x minus 4. This is equal to 0. So we have two parts here. We have two parts such that from the first part here, we have that 3x is common here, so we can factor out 3x. Here we have x minus 2, then plus 2x minus 4. We have that 2 is common here, so we have x minus 2. This is equal to 0. So x minus 2 is common, so we have x minus 2 multiplying by, here we have 3x plus 2. This is equal to 0. So we have two parts here. The first part is x minus 2 is equal to 0, and the second part is 3x plus 2. This is equal to 0. So from the first part here, we have that x3 is equal to 2, and on the second part here, we have that x4 is equal to minus 2 over 3. So this implies that we have 4 solutions. We have 4 solutions to this algebra problem. We have that x1, comma, x2. This is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 5i, everything here divided by 3. And remember, these are two complex solutions. These are two complex solutions. And then we have that x3 is equal to 2, and we have that x4 is equal to minus 2 over 3. And this means we have 4 solutions. So this is the solutions to this algebra problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.